The third video for labor markets will now discuss the marginal and average cost of labor. You can actually put this down as MCL and ACL, which is very important to know because that's how a firm makes decision how many workers to hire or recruit, right? Okay, so moving on. What is the marginal cost of labor and average cost? It is so marginal cost of labor, let's put it this way. MCL is the difference in wage bill or total wages by adding one more worker. On the other hand, average cost of labor is the total wage bill divided by number of workers, and it can also be said, mathematically as the mean wage. Okay, arithmetic mean. So all you do is total wage divided by number of workers, and MCL is the difference in total wages by adding one more worker. Mathematical formula equals again insert symbol change in total wages divided by number of workers. And to calculate ACL, total wages, so no changes, divided by number of workers, labor. Okay. I'm looking at imperfect markets. Okay. In imperfect markets, we don't have, let's say, where people are being employed by a firm. So what they do is they employ the first worker at £7. All right. So if they are employing the first worker at £7, what would be the total wage bill?
£7.
£7. What would be the average cost of labor?
£7.
Okay, so total wage divided by 7, which is, divided by 1 is 7. You're right. To bring the second worker, to employ the worker, how much would the firm have to pay him?
Apparently £8.
£8, because he wasn't willing to work at £7.
Okay.
But if you're paying the second worker at £8, what would the first worker do? Would he still stay or would he leave?
He'd leave. He'd ask for £8.
Isn't it? He would ask for £8. So you will end up now paying to both the workers £8. So what's
£16.
£16. Similarly, what will happen when you employ 3 workers? To bring the third worker into your employment, you'll have to pay him £9 and you'll have to pay the previous 2 workers £9 as well.
Yeah.
So what's the total wage bill?
£27.
27. If you employ the fourth worker, you'll have to pay £10. So what's the total wage bill?
£40.
£40.
Yeah, another 60.
5 times 11 is 60.
No, it's 55.
55, thank you. Let me just jot down the explanation I've given to you. Okay, and to employ more workers, the firm will have to pay higher wage to the new worker as he was not willing to work at lower wages. Yeah? The firm will also have to pay the same wage to previous workers, otherwise they will leave. Are we happy with this?
Stretch it out a little bit as well.
And it's important, isn't it? The explanation. So marginal cost of labor is the change in the wage bill and the change by labor, as we've said over here. So what is the change in the wage bill over here for the second worker? £9. And what is the change in number of workers?
1.
So 9 divided by 1 is?
What? 9.
Yeah. What is the MCL or the marginal cost of adding the third worker?
£11.
£11. Well done. What is the cost of employing the fourth worker?
£13.
£13. What's
15.
15? Well done. Let's work out the average cost now. What is the average cost of employing the second worker?
8.
Third worker,
9.
which is 27 divided by 3, 9. Yep.
Mhm.
Fourth worker,
10.
40 divided by 4. Yes, 10. And the fifth worker is
11.
55 divided by 5, 11. Well done. Or which is pretty much your wage rate.
Same wage rate. Yeah.
Okay. Are we happy so far?
Yes.
Moving on, how do we plot the average cost and MCL on a graph? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to Control C and copy this over here. Okay. So number of workers. For the first worker, let me just draw a line. For the first worker, what was the marginal cost? We didn't have anything. So for the second worker, 9.
9.
So for the second worker, we need to bring it to 9, somewhere in middle. It's always plotted in middle between 2nd and 3, isn't it? Yeah, for
Okay.
marginal. Yeah.
Yeah.
For the third worker, how much is it?
11.
Am I going right? Seems so, yeah. For the fourth worker,
13.
13, yeah. And for the fifth worker,
15.
so this is
MCL.
a marginal cost of labour,
Mm-hmm.
right? Now we need to draw our average cost of labour. What was it for the first worker?
7.
Second worker?
8.
Second worker was 8, yep. Third worker?
9.
Fourth worker?
10.
Fifth worker?
11. Is that how I should do it? Let's go a bit. Oh, is your MC curve pretty long?
I feel so. We'll sort that out in a bit.
Okay.
ACL at the fifth worker, it was, how much did you say? 15, was it?
Yeah, it's 15. I think
Yeah,
your
it'll be there.
the bottom of your curve is also a bit. It's far away from 2. See that?
Yeah, because I'm plotting them in the middle.
Oh right, okay. Yeah.
Okay. And that is why it was over here in the first place. Because with the marginal, you don't plot that. If it's you're saying the second worker 9, right?
Mm-hmm.
You don't plot that exactly at 2. You plot that in the middle for the MCL.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Right.
And do you know what this is for?
Yeah, it's to say skipping up to 7.
It's, yeah, I've skipped up over there. So I've broken my y-axis just to say.
Mm-hmm.
So this is how we plot the MCL and the ACL on a graph.
Mm-hmm.
Any issues?
No.
Are you happy with this?
Yes.
If you've liked my video, do subscribe to my channel, YouTube Tutor Economics. And if you've enjoyed the video, please click the bottom. Thank you.